Welcome back to another episode of In-Depth Angling. I'm here today at Hawatonka State Park in Missouri. I'm going to be fishing for a variety of species today: crappie, white bass, largemouth, smallmouth, spotted bass, maybe some stripers and hybrids that are in here. We're going to be fishing with jerk baits. We're going to be fishing with Texas rig chigger craws, and we're going to be fishing with some hand-tied crappie jigs I did in the last video. And we're going to go out there and we're going to see what we can get. As you guys can see, it's snowing. It's 27 degrees right now. A little bit of steam coming off the water because it's so warm compared to the air temperature. Made it over here this spring. Hey, I got something. Little bass. Right on. First fish of the day on chigger craw. Oh man, my hands are numb. Barely moving. Right up next to the warm water, a little, it's like, he's got the tooth patch on his tongue. It's a spotted bass. Nothing huge, he's got a little mark on him right there. Looks like he healed up. Pretty looking fish, healthy. Get him back in the water. I'd gotten some bites over there in that pocket, but nothing really felt big. And I probably spent too much time over there trying to catch something on my way to the good stuff over here. But, oh well, I still got a couple hours to fish. Got the snow and steam blowing right at me at the same time. I'm getting ice on my shades. Steam freezing up on everything. There's light. Nope. Wouldn't on it. Just get over there from the boat. There we go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh my gosh, it's a giant. I got a giant. Unless he just turns side. Oh no, he's decent. He's not as big as I thought, but he's decent. Oh yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Woo! That's what we freeze our butts off for. That's what we freeze our butts off for. Ate that chigger craw right up. Wow, that's fun right there. It's got the red lips on him. It's been eating on crawdads. His throat's got it. It's actually a spot. He's got a tooth patch in there. That's a pretty decent spotted bass. Probably, I don't know, close to 3. He's kind of chunky. I'd say around 3 pounds. Get a measurement on him here in a second. Beautiful fish, gonna let him back. Woo! Man, my hands are cold. That water's solidly 20 degrees warmer than the air is though. So it's gonna temporarily heat them up and then cool them right back. I was just trying to get the ice off my reel when that fish hit, and then the line started running. It's been iced up most of the day. Had to leave really quick out of Hawatonka. They got to be really icy and snow was coming down pretty hard on the road and everything, so made it back home safe and everything. Slid around a little bit down my road, but we're here. It's still snowing. Probably gonna get a couple more inches of snow tonight, and only ended up catching a couple bass. You'll see them in the video and everything. That one I ended up measuring, it was a 19.5-inch bass. It felt a little bit bigger because he was sideways when I was fighting him in, but you know, it happens. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hit the like button down below if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more content coming out soon. We'll catch you on the next one.